Here's another cool effect, an old school transition. So I was watching, I think it was A Christmas Story. And again, I'm inspired by the pop culture stuff that I see, the TV, the commercials and animations and movies and things like that. And I saw this old school effect. It was basically an iris open and you watch a video unfold. And it looks like this. So the iris open and you watch the video unfold. So I thought that was kind of cool. Doesn't PowerPoint have something like that built in? And it unfortunately doesn't. I was kind of shocked that there's nothing quite like this effect. You can do it, but it's not as cool as what I'm doing. So what I did was it's kind of like that masking technique. So what I did was I created, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a video from a file. And I'm going to go to my Hollywood effects and I'm going to go to old school and I'm going to drop a video in. So I'm going to drop a video in, a very cool video that I found on Pexels or Pixabay. Right now, if you notice, it's not the same size as my stage, my slide. So I'm going to scale it up. Boom, boom, like this. Or I could have used Bright Slide to match the size of the slide, and it would automatically crop things and all that. It's very cool, very cool. So I've got my video. I'm going to go to playback. Again, I'm going to go to playback. When I go to playback, I am going to go to start. I want it to start automatically. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a rectangle. I'm going to go to Bright Slide, match the size. If you notice, part of the movie is hanging off the edge. That's okay because it won't be seen. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Insert and I'm going to choose Oval. I'm going to choose Oval. And I'm going to go this. I'm going to do this. I want you to be able to see this, so I'm going to change the color of it and I'm going to center it. I could center it lots of ways. For example, I could click on the background, shift click the circle, choose Arrange, Align, and then Center. I could choose Arrange, Align, Center, and Arrange, Align, Middle, and it would automatically do it. Right now, I'm just using the Snap to Guides function that's built into PowerPoint. So again, I'm going to click on, just like we did with the mask, I'm going to click on the cookie dough first. Then I'm going to shift click the cookie cutter. I'm going to choose Merge Shapes, go down to Subtract. And now I can see through this little hole. I have a little hole I can see through, which is kind of creepy right there. Looks like someone happy's looking at you. So I'm going to change the color to something like black. Remember, it's just a mask. Change it to black. And under animations, I'm going to choose Emphasis, Grow, Shrink. I'm going to choose Grow, Shrink. And under my animation tab, I am going to choose for it to grow, shrink 6,000% because I want it to get really big. And I am going to have it under timing. So again, it's 6,000% and growing. And under start, I want it to start with previous. So when the movie starts, I want it to start. So now you get this really cool old school effect. Really cool, simple, something you typically don't see. So therefore, you're more likely to pay attention to it. Those subtle things that we use in our virtual presentations or recorded presentations or anything like that, those subtle things that we do that's different is going to help keep the audience engaged.